there's an attachment point, an electrical connection, and 2 clips, one on the front and one on the back. Firstly, undo the electrical connection and move out of the way. Then take a pair of pliers and undo the pipe clamp. Pull the pipe from the air filter housing and start by undoing the back clip. Then undo the forward clip and remove the air filter box. Underneath you'll see the old filter. This one has a red rim around it. Pull the air filter up and out of the way, and then check underneath to make sure there is no debris, dirt and dust. This one is quite clean. With your new filter, push into the place of the old filter, making sure it's in the correct orientation. Put the air filter box back in position, minding that you don't trap the electrical connection or the air hose. Start by doing up the rear clip and the forward clip. Push your electrical connection back in place until you hear a click. Then take your pliers, squeeze your pipe clamp and move it back into position. Make sure that the pipe doesn't move like shown here. Wiggle the pipe into the correct position and let the clamp go. That is how you replace the air filter.